beautiful people. Welcome to my channel where I talk all things hair, health, and beauty. And today is a hair video. Yes, a hair video. In fact, this video is a review of a hair company I'm super excited about. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Your girl is back in her hair bag. Yes. This is how I started on YouTube. And I'm so happy that I'm feeling like myself again and getting back into the bundles, the closures, not wigs, not just yet. Because I live in Arizona and it is not wig season right now, baby. Yes, I have a wig season. I'm not talking about what the other girls do. That's their business. Me, I do not wear wigs from about May to about September, October. What does Sheree say?
Spring, summer, or September.
Yeah, it's not wig season for me. So outside of that, we're getting back into our bundles. I am excited to try some quick weaves. I am excited to show how you can have a sew-in with a closure and it look natural and beautiful, just to give your leave out a break. So if you are interested in videos like that, DIY videos, I might even have some client videos, we'll see. Then make sure you guys definitely subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
So without further ado, here is my review on Wig Dealer. Quick backstory with Wig Dealer, I have purchased wigs from them before, but I don't think I've ever purchased bundles. Ever. And I don't think I've ever purchased a closure either. So I'm really excited to try the 2x6 closure. I've actually been wanting to try this closure for a while now, and I finally decided to just go ahead and give it a shot. And ironically, they were having a sale. If you spend $150, you get a free 2x6 closure. So that literally worked out perfect. But me, knowing me, still got to spend some money. So I ended up buying 2 closures, but the second closure that I purchased was actually on sale for I think like $30 or $38. We're gonna do an unboxing and the initial review. We'll start with the closures. So this one is a 2x6. This one is the one that was on sale for $38, and it's because it was pre-colored. This is straight, and I want to say it's Cambodian straight. So this is how it came. And I don't deduct hair. I don't deduct points based on how it's colored, because you guys have to understand, when you're purchasing pre-colored wigs or pre-colored bundles, they aren't like professional hairstylists in the back weaving it, applying it correctly. So don't expect top professional results unless you pay in a little bit more of a coin. So getting this for $38, I was like, yes, ma'am, you saved me a step or two. So because I am a licensed cosmetologist, I am going to go back in and make this to my liking. So you see how it's just bam, it's not blended, you know, it's just bam right there. So I am going to blend that. If you're not a licensed cosmetologist, or if you don't know what you're doing, you can probably find one and just ask them to make this look a little bit more natural. So may or may not record the process, but it feels amazing. And this is 16 inches. I feel like this looks really long for 16 inches, which is a good thing. I'm very excited about that. But I'm just happy to get a closure for $38, and I will have this one be the closure that I wear whenever I want to do colored. And I have been wanting to do like some blonde, some fun stuff. So I'm really excited about trying this closure. Like I said, I'm gonna go back in. You see how they're just like bam. And y'all, if you're not a hairstylist, you might not see what I see. But all my hairstylist girlies out there, you know what I'm talking about. This is no shade to Wig Dealer at all. Literally every single pre-colored hair, wig, bundles that I purchase, it doesn't look like, usually you have to use, like I think a lot of the girls will use like blue shampoo on it to brighten it or to make it look more natural. But like I said, I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I know what to do just to make that look a little bit more natural. And I'm probably gonna bring the highlights up a little bit. This one is a 2x6 14-inch closure. Again, this 14 is still giving. Yes, yes. So one thing about what I love about even my wig dealer wigs with the HD closure, they are so easy to blend. I am a lazy wig wearer. I don't like having to do a whole lot, I'm gonna be real. So the fact that I probably won't have to do a whole lot with this closure, oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Y'all have no idea. I want to go in there about a couple more. And it goes back pretty far. Again, it's a 2x6, so it goes back pretty far. So I'm really, really, really excited about this. I don't know if I'll do a middle part or side part, y'all. Might even do yeah. I just feel like my forehead's too big for a middle part these days. I don't know. I might do a bust down middle part. I might just do it to the side, something like that. Okay, now for the bundles, I do have a Cambodian straight wig from Wig Dealer, and I remember I loved the hair. So I have 16 inches, 14 inches, and 18 inches. Let's start with the 14. And they're all the same, they're all Cambodian straight. Okay, they do label it for you. Thank you so much for that. This is how it comes. And they put the bundles in here. And the closures were left outside of the bag, but the bundles were in that bag. Ooh, I feel like I can't do nothing without my nails. I'm trying to get myself a nail break, but they might be back on tomorrow. Okay, this is 14. Again, this is Cambodian straight. Silky. Very, very silky. And I remember the wig that I have from Wig Dealer. I remember feeling like this hair is long. Like, did y'all give me an extra 2 inches by mistake? So that is something good to know, because this feels really long. I don't know where my measuring tape is to measure it right now. So this is what we have. Okay, the weft feels good. Feels thick. The ends look good. It almost looks like they cut, like they make sure it's 14 inches and they cut it. I feel like that's what it looks like with Wig Dealer, because it's always giving fullness from the rooter to the tutor. Fullness all the way. And this is 14 inches. Absolutely. It doesn't smell. It doesn't smell. It smells like hair. It don't smell like corn chips or... No shedding. No shedding so far. But I will have a separate install video. This is the 18 inches, baby. I'm 5'5.5", and this is where, from my nape, this is where it ends. And as you can see, the ends are very full, very much giving full. I'm really excited. I'm really, really excited. I'm really excited. I don't know what it is about Wig Dealer. Well, I do know I love their wigs. I don't know what made me want to originally purchase from them. It's just there wasn't a lot of American-ish. I'm not saying they don't get... I just really like Wig Dealer. I do. And she used to, I don't know if she still does, but she used to do lives. She used to be a hairstylist. I don't know if she does hair anymore, but she used to do lives where she would talk about her hair. She would talk about the wigs. She would kind of show the behind the scenes. And I don't know if it was the authenticity that made me just trust and believe her, but I ordered a wig 4 years ago. I feel like it was 4 years ago. I ordered a wig, loved it, ordered another one, loved it, ordered another one. Matter of fact, I have 2 wigs that I have not wore yet, but I will. I will, because I will be reviewing wigs this fall. So wig companies, hair companies, if you are looking for someone who is a micro influencer, who loves what they do, who is extremely passionate about the industry and the market, and who just so happens to be a licensed professional who people listen to and want to know, hey, where should I get my hair from? I'm your girl. Let's work together. So my email is in the description box. And if you guys have any suggestions, any companies that you want me to reach out to and review their hair, let me know. Like I said, I really want to show you guys how to do some quick weaves and just lots of different closure styles so that you can protect your hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time here today, my channel is all about hair health and beauty, baby. Yes, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at hairvolutions on Instagram and TikTok. And follow me on Threads, where I like to speak my mind. Whatever's on my mind, I'm gonna say it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Been on TikTok. TikTok has not been showing your girl much love. I don't like the angle because it makes my eyebrows look like, you know, them square eyebrow. I do not like that look, baby. Hold on, let me fix that. No ma'am, no ma'am, Pam. I don't want y'all saying that's how I do my brows.
I'm surprised how you do.
What it do?
Hey.
Yeah, is it some money?
No. It's close.
Ooh.
Hey.
Yeah. You getting a whooping. Get out. Get out. This is extra. Do y'all getting the extra take? This is gonna be at the end of the video. Which is good because y'all get to see my real personality. Because for some reason when I get in front of a camera and I'm doing a review, I'm like, hi, so I'm trying to relax. But anyways, let me just say in my little soapbox while I'm on it. If you guys like this makeup look, I will have another video with this makeup look. Because I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of eating